Hello everyone, I am Moinina Mina from EdTech. Do you need help with your math problems? Do not stress. In this video, I'll help you use the Photomath app to learn, practice, and understand math concepts like algebra, arithmetic, geometry, and many more. We will also explore ways teachers can use it to encourage deeper learning. Let's get to it. If you haven't already, head to your App Store or Play Store and search for Photomath. You'll find it right at the top. Just download it for free. Once it is installed, open the app and you are ready to scan any math problem for instant help. All you need to do is point your camera at the math problem, whether it is in a textbook, handwritten, or on a screen. The app will detect the problem and instantly display the solution, along with a step-by-step explanation that is completely free to access. However, if you want to dive deeper, the Photomath Plus version offers even more. With Photomath Plus, you get access to custom animated tutorials, detailed textbook solutions, and more advanced explanations. This can be a great option for students who want extra help or need more detailed explanations. So, why use Photomath, you may ask? Here are some of the biggest benefits, I think. Photomath covers everything from basic arithmetic and geometry to advanced calculus. You can scan problems from any source, handwritten notes, textbooks, and even screens. Math is about more than just answers. It's about understanding the process. Photomath breaks down every problem into bit-sized steps so you understand how and why, not just the what. Whether you are stuck on a problem at 2 a.m. or reviewing homework before dinner, Photomath is like having a 24/7 tutor in your pocket. The content you find in Photomath is created by math experts and teachers, so it's both accurate and educational. Teachers, I know what you are thinking. Photomath makes it easy for these students. But let's look at some ways you can actually use it to encourage deeper learning.
Oh my God! Wow!
One great strategy is to have students use Photomath to compare and analyze different problem-solving approaches. Here is how it works. Step 1. Give students a set of problems to solve using traditional pen and paper methods. Step 2. After they've worked on the problems themselves, have them scan the same problems using Photomath. And in step 3, students can then compare their solutions with Photomath's step-by-step explanations. Encourage them to consider questions like, did I get the same answer? Did I use a different method? Or which method was more efficient? By looking at multiple approaches, students can think critically about problem solving and develop a deeper understanding of math concepts. That's a wrap, friends, on using Photomath. Whether you're a student looking for a math guide or a teacher looking for innovative ways to encourage your class, Photomath is a fantastic tool. Just remember, math is about understanding the journey to the solution, and Photomath is here to help guide you every step of the way. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to check out my next video on how to transform articles, PDFs into audio. And let me know in the comment, have you used Photomath in your studies or teaching? What do you think? Stay curious and keep learning. See you in the next video.